Okay, lots of sanding and grinding here. The air is just full of dust particles, and going to give the dogs some treats, and then we'll check in with Dad. So the dogs all have their treats, and it is a dusty shop up here. And we got Peter on top, and we'll go check on him here. Kind of dodgy how he got it, but got it going on here. He is covered in dust and whatnot, but it's going along. We'll check on these guys' progress, see what else happened here today. Peter's just disassembling his step here now that he viced into place so that he could get at all around the window there. Still quite a bit of work that needs to be done on the paint removal, but they got quite a bit done here. Been busy at it for the last couple hours, and very dusty. This one's all covered up. Dad took this one out of the shop yesterday, got all the dust off of it and off the inside as well, but you can't really see it in the shop here right now, but there's a fine level of dust just in the air, so we're gonna have to blow everything out here. So Dad's doing a little welding here on the rear curved part where he cut everything out, putting in a new round pipe that he had in stock so you can straighten out that corner. And Peter is still continuing on grinding on the front. So lots of work. Dad said he wants to shut everything down here early, like 4 o'clock, which is in about 5 minutes, because he wants to put the big fan on at the big doors and kind of blow out as much of that smoke as possible, and the dust, because they're going to be coming in to do more painting here tonight. And Peter's all geared up here for more grinding. He's done that top part there now in the last 10-15 minutes, and still bringing down the bare metal so that he can get at everything here. I think he's worked on the top. He's got the escape hatch open now, and I think he probably was working up there. Really only looks like fine powder up there, so it's going to let's say about half the machine has been taken down to the bare minimum here. So with Peter doing this, it frees up Dad to actually do jobs like the welding, and this also saves on Peter's labor rate, because if Peter doesn't do it or I don't do it, then it's Dad has to do it. So he's going to be plugging away at that for a while. So Dad is doing the welding there in the corner. Anyways, I want to show you guys a blank spot in the yard. Hi, Charles. And oh, the dogs are all playing now. There's still no snow here, or what you see is what we get. We're expecting a huge dump of snow tonight, but that's the most I've seen that old black dog move in a while. Everybody else is running in the pack here. Very dusty in the shop. As you can see, there's a blank spot. So that moved out That was the green Bombardier, like dark green, Sid McKay's Bombardier. And it was right there, but so there's nothing to show you other than the fact that it moved out. That moved out about 11 o'clock this morning. Dad didn't call me. I guess they came in from Saskatchewan, and Charlie's marking a spot there, and they loaded it up and gone. So that's that. Oh, this just love being a dog out here. Run and play and treats. You better go supervise those guys, Charlie. Otherwise they'll do something.